a windy one today. Probably gonna get blown away today. Listen to that wind howl. February 11th. Ooh, doggy. Got some nasty wind out there today, guys. Trees are whipping around. What's up, fam? Doing a little video here. Showing how windy it is out here. Got leaves flying around. Look at this. And I only got a hoodie on. Probably 40 degrees, maybe 30. Close to 30 something. I think it's dropped since earlier. Supposed to get down to 1 degree tonight. Got an Arctic blast coming in. Yeah, look at that big tree over there. Look at that thing swinging around. That's a big old tree. It's been there probably for over 60 years, I bet. That big bad booty daddy. See it swinging. You know it's windy.